In this video, our services were requested to replace a concrete driveway and walkway. We use fiber-enriched 4,000 psi concrete. For large projects, we use ready-mix concrete. We use wire mesh to prevent cracking on our driveways. Most importantly, we install control joints to prevent cracking. We set all plumbing caps flush with the top surface of the concrete. Most importantly, we broom finish the surface of the concrete for traction. When our job is complete, we clean with a power washer. As an added touch, we paint all plumbing caps. The concrete is now leveled but pitched away from the house. It has traction and another fine job by Dependable Concrete.